Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make luxury cream fudge. To begin, gather your essential ingredients. You'll need 4 cups of granulated sugar, 1 cup of rich heavy cream, and 1/2 cup of unsalted butter. These form the creamy base of our delicious treat. Don't forget a tiny pinch of salt to enhance the flavors, and pure vanilla extract, which we'll incorporate later for that classic, aromatic finish. Now, let's move to the cooking process, which is crucial for perfect fudge. First, gently heat your sugar, cream, and butter in a heavy-bottomed saucepan until the sugar fully dissolves. Then, increase the heat to bring the mixture to a steady, rolling boil. The key is to cook it precisely to 236 degrees Fahrenheit or 115 degrees Celsius. A good candy thermometer is your best friend here for absolute accuracy. Once your fudge reaches the target temperature, immediately remove it from the heat. This next step is vital. Do not stir the mixture at all while it cools. Let it sit completely undisturbed until it reaches exactly 110 degrees Fahrenheit or 43 degrees Celsius. Then, begin beating it vigorously with a sturdy wooden spoon. You'll continue beating until the fudge thickens considerably and loses its initial glossy appearance, becoming dull. Finally, once your fudge has thickened and dulled, it's time for the grand finale. Quickly pour the mixture into a buttered 8x8-inch pan, smoothing the top evenly with a buttered spatula. Now comes the hardest part: patience. Allow the fudge to set completely at room temperature for at least 2 to 3 hours, or until firm. Once fully set, cut it into delightful 1-inch squares and enjoy your luxurious, homemade cream fudge.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.